Gishnu Gears. I think like after 2 years, we get a very good opportunity to display all our products in through IMTEX. IMTEX creating a very good platform for everyone, for OEM, for end customers, and even for companies. And it's a very good platform to connect people, vice versa for both the ends actually to say. We are actually a leading gear manufacturer company. We display like many of our gearboxes over here. It used for many conveyors, agitator, like many different applications. And still, we are getting new requirements from different people with their own application and other stuffs.
Actually, we are in automobile, machine tool and industries, paper industries, sugarcane industries, cement industries. So everywhere we are there. We are providing even in the cracker industries like fireworks. So our gearboxes are present in day-to-day machines and everything, even dairy products to packing machines. So our products are like these gearboxes are used in every field. Actually, we do yearly one or two. Actually, in this podium you see, right?
A Helical
You can
series.
show. That is, yes. You can see. These are all our new products. We launched in the 2000. One gearbox alone we launched at 2019 IMTEX. One gearbox was launched. Then balance we made it in this lockdown time. So this is the total set of the gearbox.